guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a new fragrance from Tiffany Co. I'm sure you guys are very aware of that brand, their beautiful jewelry and diamonds. So their amazing team sent me their latest fragrance for the holidays, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So let's get started. So here is the packaging, this lovely wooden box that has stamped on it "The Holidays Made by Tiffany," and of course their classic bow. So I'm really excited to share this new fragrance with you guys because I am a fan of Tiffany's jewelry. And fun fact, I actually used to be employed by Tiffany's for a brief time in my career. So, bam, here is our box. Alright. And inside we have this lovely "Dear Yinka, wishing you a fun and festive holiday always, the Tiffany Fragrance Team." Thanks, guys. Oh, this is so cute. So pretty much the box is just filled with stuffing. But here's like a little ornament clamp. Super cute, super cute. That's holding the fragrance. That's holding the fragrance. The classic Tiffany blue box. Sorry, I'm not a gentle. So as you guys can see, this is insight in how I open gifts. I'm not the neatest person. So here is packaging, the classic Tiffany blue box, and voila. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. It's like a mirror. Let me come up close. So it's pretty much, it looks like it's inspired by, you know, the diamonds and gemstones that the brand carries. It's very reflective, very festive, and let's see how it smells. So this would be my second like perfume review, but this is not really a review. This is more of an unboxing. I'll follow up with a review. And I got some very interesting comments on my first ever fragrance review, and I learned some lessons, so I hope this one is better. And of course I always love feedback because it helps me make better videos and it helps me learn. So I'm gonna spray that. Wow. Let it dry. Wow, it smells really nice. Very powdery and floral. Wow. Oh my gosh, this actually smells good. This smells really good. Ooh. Yes, I know. I'm smelling my wrist a lot. So I would definitely say this is a very feminine fragrance. I personally am excited to wear this. And now that I do smell the like citrusy hints. But I like that it's not too like girly. It's not like candy, sweetie smelling. Like this is very like grown and sexy. I'm on my, you know, A game. So again, this is the latest fragrance from Tiffany for the holidays, and I will link the information to where you can find it down below. Thank you guys for watching.